Hello, my name is Derek Afasi. I'm the owner of Afasi Financial Group based out of Tampa, Florida. Today we're going to be discussing term life insurance. This is very attractive right now. You see a lot of companies they always push it, push it, push it. And I'll kind of show you exactly why they do or what's its purposes. Term insurance is just like renting. You have a little roof over your head for as ever long as you take the insurance out for. Once you're done or once you live past that certain term amount of time, it expires. You can't get it back. So ultimately, when people have term life insurance, they like to get it when they're young. It serves a purpose. They could tie it to different things. They could tie it to your mortgage. You could tie it to whether you want to make sure that you have 25 years because you want to make sure that your kids are out of college by that time. So you have that little roof. You have that little umbrella over your head. You have different types out there. You have annual renewable term. You have 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30-year term. Annual renewable term does exactly what it says. It renews every single year. So if you're 30 years old and you bought $100,000 of life insurance, this might cost you $15. The next year, 31, they take a snapshot. Okay, how many 31-year-olds are living for this long? How much risk can we take? That's how our mortality rate, that's how a mortality table is determined. So the next year it might go up to $21. The next year it might go up to $26. But when you keep getting older and older and older, once you hit your 50s, 55, you see jumps of about $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 in each year. So it's going to increase because obviously the chances of you dying is going to be greater and greater. That's annual renewable term. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30-year term. Let's just take 20-year term as an example. You buy a policy, it's level premiums, so it doesn't increase every year, and it's basically that umbrella's over your head for 20 years. If you die before 20 years, the death benefit is paid out to your beneficiaries. If you live past 20 years, then the insurance company keeps the money. So if you die within that time frame, we pay. If you live, we win. Unfortunately, and this is one of the reasons why so many companies push it, you see MetLife commercials, you see John Hancock commercials, AXA commercials, 97% of the time, the company wins. So that means that 97% of the time, the people are outliving their term insurance. A lot of people get these types of insurance to eventually convert it. They understand that right now they're maybe not making as much income as they want and they're going to be making more income. So what they do is they buy the little bit of renting insurance. They're locking in their health, they're locking in their insurability, all those different factors, even the amount of insurance that they could possibly obtain. They're locking all that in because initially it's more inexpensive than what a permanent policy would be, because permanent pays out 100% of the time. It's a permanent, it's going to be locked in for exactly your lifetime. So what they do is they buy this 10, 15, 20-year term, realizing, okay, right now I'm healthy, I'm young, but maybe in a couple of years I might develop diabetes or I might develop some sort of ailment that I'm uninsurable. So you could convert it up to whatever the amount is that you bought of term insurance. So that's some alternatives that you could use with this. Once again, give us a call. Definitely look at the permanent life insurance video because it's going to kind of break down exactly the difference between renting and owning, different things that could accumulate with it. If you're just interested in death benefit without any cash value growth, look at that video as well. But this is just the basis of everything. This is all generalized information. Remember, your situation is going to be different than others, whether you want to have life insurance, if you want to tie that to a mortgage, tie that to your children. Basically, once they're done with school, it's not important to you anymore. If you want to leave a legacy, depending upon your situation, it's going to be different than anybody you work with, anybody you drive next to, in your vehicle, anything. So to get help with your specific situation, give us a call. We have a toll-free number. You can contact us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week via email. Someone will contact you back, or you can even set up video conferencing where you can see us. We'll set up a plan for you. We'll give you literature pieces. We'll make sure that you're so knowledgeable with it and give you such intricate details that you can understand and you can pitch it back to us. Once again, my name is Derek Afasi, and I thank you for watching this video.